So this is Adrian O'Malley, and so the for the essential questions, it'll be what are the similarities and the differences between baby animals and their parents. So coming from kindergarten, kindergarten will obviously have a easier activity where they will demonstrate how plants and animals look different and similar. And in first grade, we'll be looking at the similarities between differences between baby animals and their parents. Where in second grade, you would also observe the similarities between the parents and their babies. But in second grade, you can see that they have a lot slighter activity where students would have to log on to the internet to find their favorite animals, which would make this a lot more difficult for first grade students. So for first grade students, we'll be having them work in small groups where they'll be able to sort picture cards of young and animal adult animals that are very much and not exactly alike. Students will be pretty much matching pairs and then share how the baby and adult in each pair are alike. And this is where the phenomenon takes into place. Are baby animals exactly like their parents? So, students will be able to describe the ways of young animals are similar but not exactly like their parents, identify the similarities between offspring and their parents, identify patterns, which are larger, smaller, heavier, lighter, taller, and shorter. And after that, they would pretty much go ahead and make a math connection and count the numbers of similarities and differences. And you can see in this picture that we have right here where students would be able to use this graph to make a math connection of the similarities and difference with numbers. In the engagement, students would be asked for the TPT-11, categorizing and sorting. Students will be asked to sort picture cards of animals into various groups in order to identify and compare similarities or differences. For the ELA connection, they would be reading the book, which I really love. It's Are You My Mother? This is a great book that I remember as a kid reading that has a big impact because it demonstrates the bird and the dog, and it asks if it's the mother, but you can see that there's a lot of huge differences in that. And for the technology connection, you'll be watching a video where this link I provided will take you out to watch a video on animals and their babies. This is a great video because it will pretty much demonstrate to the students what are the similarities of animals and the differences, and it demonstrates how a goat and its baby take part in the video, and it also shows them how what our essential questions will be describing. So that'll be it for today. Thank you.